Welcome to the cooler depot. I'm go ahead to introduce our newest products on my right hand for these cocktail sinks. And we can see the measurements first. The unit is about like a 2 feet wide, 24 inches. And the overall height is about like a 33 inches tall. And depth of the units front to the behind is about like a 29 inches. We can see the units coming with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stage and have the NSF sticker on the side. All these white colors is a peel of the plastics. So basically the units are all made in stainless steels. And for this stage, it's about like a 4 inches wide. The height to the hinge about like a 4.5 inches tall. And the front is about like a 5.5 inches tall. This will be the all information about the units. If you have more questions, feel free to contact with us. Thank you.